Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you where are the deleted photos on Google Photos. So, on your mobile, if you delete few of the pictures on Google Photos, maybe what I'll do is I'll be deleting the photos which are taken on the Wednesday. So where these photos goes to means how you can recover them back, and what happens when you delete photos on the Google Photos. Actually, even though if you delete any photo or video on the Google Photos, immediately they won't get deleted permanently. That means you still have a chance to recover them back to your Google Photos for 60 days. For 60 days you can get them back. So this information, many don't know about this information. Now I'll show you. There is a option called collections here at the bottom. So once you click on the connections, there is a bin option C at the top. You just need to click on this bin option. Just click on this. See here, this is where the photos goes to for in the bin folder. When you delete a picture on the Google Photos, on the bin folder they will be available for 60 days. See, backed up items will be permanently deleted after 60 days. So for 60 days these deleted photos will be available in this bin folder. So you can say that the deleted photos will be available in the bin folder. Means if by any chance, by mistake, if you delete few of the important pics at that point of time, you can just select here, and at the bottom you can observe, see here at the bottom you can find this restore option. Now I'll just click on this restore option. Let us see what gets happen. Restore. So restored, see here at the bottom, these are the pics which are restored. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.